Okay, welcome back. Our classes see nutrition in plants. Okay, we already learned about the autotrophs. So we have to learn in this lesson heterotrophs, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What's it? Those organisms which cannot make their own food by the help of photosynthesis, we are calling the heterotrophs. See here, heterotrophs is a animals. All animals is a heterotrophs, and some plants also. Organisms, they are heterotrophs. Organisms, all animals. We have to see the in heterotrophs, these animals, they don't have in their body chlorophyll. That's why the heterotrophs cannot make their own food. We are calling the heterotrophic nutrition. All non-green plants, like a fungus. Fungus cannot make their own food. Okay, so many insects, they cannot make their own food. All animals, include the human beings, categorized as heterotrophs because they cannot make their own food, depend on other plants and animals. We are calling the heterotrophic nutrition. Next, we have to see the photosynthesis, food making process in plant. Next, we have to learn the photosynthesis, food making process in plant. Photosynthesis is food making process in plants. Okay, see here, photosynthesis, food making process. Next, what say? The process by which green plants make their own food. See, it is required the carbon dioxide from water, carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water through root, in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll. They are making the carbohydrate. See, they are making the carbohydrate, glucose, this like C6H12O6 plus H2 plus O2. See, oxygen. See, we have to write the directly oxygen also plus O2. See here reactions. See, this is a carbon dioxide, Next, this is a water, and this is a glucose, oxygen. Oxygen is a liberating this like. Okay. See, listen. Plants taking the carbon dioxide from air, water through root, sunlight and chlorophyll, it will make the glucose and oxygen. For example, we have to see this is a leaf. Okay. See, this is a leaf is there. In this leaf, they are taking the Okay, they are taking the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Next, they are taking the sunlight. See this light here. We have to draw the sunlight. Sunlight also using. See this like sunlight. And through a root, we are taking the water. See this like water is a moving towards the leaves. See this is a H2O. And here is preparing the what preparing output. It is a glucose. Glucose is a output. See glucose and releasing the O2. Releasing the O2. See this like all leaves and plants is a producing the food. Oxygen is a produced finally. Next we have to see the food is stored in these leaves. See leaves for chlorophyll for we are calling the kitchen cells. Kitchen cells. Chlorophyll for calling the kitchen cells. Condition necessary for photosynthesis. What condition is a necessary for photosynthesis? Condition necessary for photosynthesis. Necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, what condition is a required for photosynthesis? What condition? Carbon dioxide is required, water is required, and we have to see the sunlight is required, chlorophyll also required. This condition is a required. See how the plant obtain carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. How the plants is obtain carbon dioxide? How the plants obtain carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. See, in our atmosphere, the plant take the carbon dioxide gas and what is needed for the photosynthesis for air. From the air, the plant take carbon dioxide from air through the tiny pores. We have to see the plants. Plants is a required the carbon dioxide. See, carbon dioxide. Here, small pores is there. Small pores. See, we have to take here. Draw the diagram. Okay. Okay. This is a stomata. Okay. See, this is a stomata and this is a stomata and this is a guard cells. Okay. See, structure of stomata. Structure of stomata. See, what is the function of stomata? Stomata is a taking the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. They are taking the carbon dioxide here. See, polluted gas is taking carbon dioxide. It is for example, in our human body also is there. Okay, sweat glands. What is the function of sweat glands? Sweat glands is removing the water. Sweat is removing along with the minerals. Sodium chlorides also releasing outside. See, here also stomata main function is getting the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is helping to the preparation of or making to the food in a leaves. That's why this leaves per we are calling the kitchen cells is present, chlorophyll. Next, how the plants obtain carbon dioxide. It is next how the plants is getting the, we have to see that this is a open stomata. See, we have to see the open stomata also. Now we have to draw the closed stomata. See this like closed stomata also is there. Okay. See this like closed stomata means there is no exchange of gases. Closed stomata. We have to see the in closed stomata at night time. Plant cannot transpiration means cannot getting the carbon dioxide. See, because in the absence of light, there is no sunlight na, that's why it is not getting. See, it is this plant is required a sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, this plant preparing of their own food. Okay, next we have to see the mineral and water. See, mineral and water also getting. Plant obtain water for photosynthesis. See, water for photosynthesis. Just we have to remove this one. Water, H2O. Okay, see, here we have to write the H2O. H2O. Now we have to see that this is a plant. This is a roots is there. And in the plant, see these are leaves. These leaves is there. Okay, leaves. What will happen? Plant. See, here is a xylem and phloem vessels is there. Xylem and phloem vessels is there. The plants is getting the water. Water through a root from a soil to reach it to the our leaves. See, water is a movie. See this like water. Water along with the minerals. Here is a preparing the food substances. While preparing the food substances, some water also remove from this plant. See this like how the plant obtain water for photosynthesis. See, here is a soil particles is there. They are getting the water from soil. See, this is also completed. Next we have to see the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. What is the role is present? Role of chlorophyll. Role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. Third one. Role of chlorophyll photosynthesis. What is the role is there in photosynthesis? We have to see this like structure is there. Okay, here in the structures, this like cells is there. So this like cells is there. Okay. Okay, double layer cells. Here is a stomata. Okay. See this like stomata is there. See number of cells this like present here. Okay. Some cells this like is there big cells. Okay, this like big cells. Okay. Here in these cells is a chlorophyll is there this like chlorophyll cells. The chlorophyll cells main function is a preparing of food using of carbon dioxide and sunlight. See this is a chlorophyll. We have to see that here also present chlorophyll. Here also is present. See this like. Okay. See it is a see this red color chlorophyll and this is a stomata. Okay, see this like is there. That's why chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun and supplies this energy to the leaves and enable them to carry out photosynthesis for making food. See it is a this much is a enough role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. Next we have to see the role. Next another one is there the role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Fourth one, the role of sunlight in photosynthesis. What is the role is there? Photo means light. Photo means light. Synthesis, prepare. Synthesis means prepares. What's it? See, since all the sunlight supplies energy for the food making process called photosynthesis, the sun energy which captured plants. See this capture and it will be converted into chemical energy. Sunlight is using and it is converting into chemical energy. See it is producing the glucose in the presence of light. See chemical energy, chlorophyll and convert into the what's it captured solar energy leaves with the help of the chlorophyll and convert into chemical energy. See this like glucose and it will be formed. See since all the food on this earth is made of utilizing solar energy. Solar energy is a very important. It is a utilizing and preparing their own food. Next, we have to learn